autumn now, yeah? And beautiful leaves are falling from the trees. The wind is blowing and they're falling. What color leaves can we see? Yellow, red, and orange. What else can we find in the tree? Twit, 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 twit. What is this? Twit, 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 twit. Look, it's a bird. Hello, bird. Hello. What's this? It's a parrot. And parrot is also a bird. So look, I've got 1, 2. 2 little birds. They're sitting in the tree. So let's do a chant about them. Oh no! They're going away! Going away! Come back! Hello? Hello. 2 little birds are sitting on a hill. One named Jack. Hello, Jack. Hello. One named Jill. Hello, Jill. Hello. Fly away, Jack. Bye-bye. Fly away, Jill. Bye-bye. Hey, Jack, come back. Hello. Hey, come back, Jill. Hello. 2 little birds are sitting on a pole. One named Fast. Hello, Fast. And one named Slow. Hello. Fly away fast. Fly away slow. Slowly, slowly, slowly. Come back fast. Come back slow. Not coming? No, it is just very slow. 2 little birds are flying in the sky. One named Low. Oh, hello. One named High. Hello. Fly away low. Bye bye. Fly away high. Bye bye. Come back low. Come back high. Good. Okay. Look, they've eaten too much now. 2 little birds are sitting on a diet. One named Loud. One named Quiet. Shh. Fly away loud. Fly away quiet. Come back loud. Hello. Come back quiet. Hello. Shh. Let's be quiet now. Thank you. Goodbye. So, a chant about 2 birds, Jack and Jill, is very famous. It's usually done before some story times, or I do it as introduction to some activities. You can show it with your puppets, or you can also make your finger puppets, or as many librarians do, you can just use 2 of your fingers. And kids of age from 1 to 3, they love following your fingers, going away and coming back. So please try this activity and have fun. Thank you. Bye.